Hi, everybody, and welcome to The Art in Science, where science meets art. I'm Dr. Orna, and I'm very happy you joined me today. I'm an experienced scientist and educator. I developed The Art in Science more than a decade ago to instill the love of science in kids and excite them about the wonders of our natural world. The Art in Science is a unique program where the kids learn various scientific topics with hands-on activities that turn into interesting artworks, pleasing to the eye and intriguing to the mind. Many science topics to choose from. Biology is a science that studies living things. In this biology class, we will learn about teeny tiny living things. We will learn about microorganisms. Every lesson will be dedicated to a different group of microbes, viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. If you're interested in learning more, sign up for tech lessons like today. I'm looking forward to meeting you and explore together fascinating microbes.